Hi, Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition in Motion. Nutrition for body, mind, spirit, and sport. So everybody wants to look younger. They want to age younger. They want to have more energy. They want to sparkle from inside out. They want to find that glow. This is why I created the Be Whole program, because I want you to fall in love with yourself again so that you can radiate and shine your brilliance and your creativity everywhere. How do I do that? I help you to identify and replace the low energy foods with high energy foods using the nutrition response testing and the anti-inflammatory diet so that you feel better about yourself and you don't hide behind the pain, cowering and putting the facade of everything's fine when inside everything hurts. And when everything hurts, you're not going to be sparkling, shining from inside out. So that is one thing that I do, is to help identify the foods that are aggravating you and open it up to a new arena of foods that make you feel awesome. Then I help also to identify and replace any kind of negativity that you are creating, even if it's negative self-talk, because that is part of the things that doesn't help you sparkle and shine. It doesn't help you glow. It makes you just kind of run around with the mask on because it's not really you. So we want to help you become fully you and be on that journey of being the best that you can be in the next 6 months rather than just in this lifetime eventually. So I do that using the Path to Heal energy work and also some essential oils to help with some of the emotional issues. I also want to eliminate the pain both physically and emotionally, and that is going to be a combination of helping you gain confidence and stop hiding behind the pain, because the pain can be debilitating whether it's physical or emotional. So when you are hiding behind all these things, you don't have the clarity of what it is that you want. You don't choose the things that make your heart sing. You don't end up being in love with yourself. You're in love with the patterns that keep you down. So we are going to help you get over that hurdle and ask you to join the Be Whole program. If you have any questions about it, you can go to www.nutritioninmotion.net and click on the Be Whole program, or schedule your 15-minute session with me and we can go over what the Be Whole program is. We can go over your situation and find out, is the Be Whole program appropriate for you? And are you ready to fall in love with yourself and sparkle and shine from inside out? Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition in Motion, nutrition for body, mind, spirit, and sport.